What are you doing, Wessie? You want to put them back on? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Are you all done or you want more? You want them on? Okay. Hold on. Okay, come here. Smile. Can you say cheese? Cheese. Looking good, buddy. Yeah. Thank you for picking that up. You just gonna wear your glasses around? Are they stay on? Oh, almost. There you go. I love you.
Mama.
Thanks, babe.